Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find draft on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, let's write something here. I am writing here, hello. Now I am clicking here. And here you will get three options: save as draft, Discord post and continue editing. And now I am saving as draft. I am clicking on it and immediately you will get a notification. Open your filter and here you can see your draft has saved. Tap to make change, click evolve it, and here we can see here is our draft post. Click on it and here it will get you will all the draft file. And remember, you have to open your draft file before or 3 days, because of after 3 days the draft file automatically will delete it. If you want to delete your draft file, click this 3 dot icon and here you can discard your draft. Delete, that's it for now. So this is the way how you can find drafts on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.